Today we are looking at the LG FH4A8FDN8 washing machine in black. Visit the Cool Kitchen website, link in the description below this video for more information. Top features: Smart, Thin, Q with NFC allows you to download up to 20 wash programs. 6. Motion, Direct, Drive ensures a thorough cleaning performance. Remove stubborn stains with the TurboWash function. Smart, Thin, Q. There, FH4A8FDN8 offers you the option to download up to 20 different wash programs. LG Smart, Thin, Q with NFC offers you access to Cycle Download, which updates the available wash programs annually. With Smart Diagnosis, you can quickly troubleshoot almost any minor issue before it starts to affect the performance of the appliance. This can help to save you money on expensive callouts and keep their FH4A8FDN8 running efficiently. 6. Motion, Direct, Drive. You can take advantage of various drum motions depending on the program selected. Their FH4A8FDN8 has the ability to control the spin speed for maximum efficiency, whilst also being able to rotate the drum both left and right. This ensures that the wash performance is greatly improved to give you excellent cleaning results with every cycle. Remove stubborn stains with the TurboWash function. Their FH4A8FDN8 can help you remove those stubborn stains by performing a powerful wash. A jet spray directly sprays fabric with water for 120 seconds to create an efficient wash and rinse performance. Click on the Cool Kitchen website, link in the description below this video for more information and to get the cheapest price for this appliance.